مؤمنا بنفسه في أرضه التي جاء منها، أرضه التي عاش بها شبابه، وكان يأمل أن يلقى حتفه بها. ما كان يتهيأ له يوما بأن أرضه هي التي ستفقده قدرته على الإحساس، وتكون سببا في سرقة لغته منه، وتسلبه قدرته على الحراك، تضغط على أنفاسه. وكانت على علم بكل ما سيحصل لها لاحقا، لكنها أرادت له أن يصطدم، أن يرى كل ما سيحدث بعينيه. وبالنهاية اختارته شاهدا على كل شيء، كما كان سببا في كل ما حدث، فثبتته في وسطها. كان واقفا دون حراك، لا يدري ما يفعل بنفسه. كان هول الموقف كفيلا بأن يفقده بعضا من حواسه وقواه، ولكنه ما كان داريا بأنه لن يستطيع المشي لاحقا، لأنها قيدته، منعته من مد جذوره، صلبتها وأخذت منها حريتها، ملتفة على كل واحدة منها، مانعة إياها من التنفس. وكللت عملها بأنه أصبح جزءا منها، وهي أصبحت جزءا منه. كانا واحدا في الصورة، لا اثنين. تصاعدت منها إليه، وفي خضم هذا كله أراد أن يعيش مجددا، فأرضه طالما لقنته ذلك وعلمته بأنه سيعيش رغم صعوباته. قرر أن يقيم حياته مجددا، ملتقطا سمكة من أرضه لتثبت له لاحقا بأنها كانت ميتة، وهو من قتلها سابقا. Believing himself in the land from which he came from, the land which his youth lived, and was hoping that he would die in it. But what he wasn't preparing for, one day, that his land lose him his forces that he used to live, his ability to feel, and be a reason to steal his language, deprivation of his ability to move, pressed his breath, and she was aware of everything that would happen to him later. But she wanted him to see it with his own eyes, and at the end, she chose him as a witness to everything, as he was the cause of everything that happened. So she fixed him in the middle. He was standing without movement and did not know what he was doing by himself. The horror of the situation was enough to lose him some of his senses, powers again. But he was not aware that he would not be able to walk later, because she restricted him, prevented him from extending his roots. His freedom wrapped in each of her, preventing him from breathing, mocking him that he once thought to bring his senses back in one day. At the end, her work crowned, that he became a part of her, and she became a part of him. They were one in the picture, not two, from which she escalated to him, And in the midst of all this, he wanted to live again. So his land, as long as he learned that and taught him that he will live despite his difficulties, and decided to face his life again. So he picked up a fish from his land. It turns out for him later that the fish was dead, and he was the one who killed her earlier.